of the markets, what are we watching out for today? Asian markets are giving us an indication it's a bit of a mixed opening there. Look at the Taiwan index, Hang Seng. A very muted day of trade coming in there, right? Slight bit of a negative bias that we're seeing for both these indices. Now, Nikkei, on the other hand, is managing to hold on to gains of 0.4% this morning. Shanghai, again, is very muted. ASX 200, that's the Australian index, that's also very muted in trade. In terms of the Nifty, what is that indication that we're getting right now? Nifty implied open is indicating a negative start for the Indian markets, down 40 points right now. So that is what we'll be keeping an eye out on. A muted to a negative start is what we could watch out for in terms of the Indian markets as well. Cues have not been very exciting from the global front. So that seems like the pressure is continuing for the Nifty implied open as well. 40 points down as of now, approximately. But all these cues are something that impacts our markets, right? So we should set you up for trade. We should tell you which are the important stocks to watch out for, and that is what we'll be doing. Our team of research is here for that as well. First up, Vivek, good morning. Let's start with those important cues that we're watching out for in today's trading session. As of now, a muted start, right, is what the indication is.
Good morning, Winnie. Absolutely right. Essentially whole of last week we saw strong buying. Friday we saw a bit of a dip, and that particular trend has continued into this particular week as well. All sessions this week we've seen negative closes. Now, overnight cues slightly subdued. US markets continued to fall for the second straight session. All of the indices ended anywhere lower by 0.2 to 0.4%. On the other hand, oil prices yesterday saw a significant jump of almost 2%. Oil prices now have reached a 7-week high. In fact, the Brent went up higher by 2.5%, around the $69.5 a barrel mark. Along with that, the US dollar also strengthened overnight. This after it appears as though the rate cut trajectory may be slower. Along with that, if you're looking at commodities, gold prices, something that continues to hover near lifetime highs. On the other hand, yesterday Nifty failed to hold on or cling on to the 25,100 level. Market breadth was largely in favor of the declines. Advanced decline ratio was quite weak. Did see a brief attempt at an intraday recovery, but that was quickly sold into as well. What saw selling pressure? Well, the entire auto pack did see a profit booking come across. Real estate, that continues to be significant drags. Yesterday, especially Mumbai major MMR-based realty stocks took significant knocks in the session. On the other hand, a few sectors did stand out. Amongst them, auto ancillaries did quite well. Minda Corp yesterday, after Vision 2030 targets were announced, was one of the top gainers. On the other hand, what is it that we are watching out for today? Well, there's a large block deal expected as far as Polyclab is concerned. Close to 1% of equity is expected to change hands. The IPO pipeline is at the highest it's ever been. Today, 2 IPOs opening. Trueworld Bioenergy, close to 840 crores are being raised, and Jin Kushal Industries, close to 116 crore. Day 2 of IPOs, day 2 of subscription, that is Jain Resource Cycling, EPAC Prefab Tech, as well as BMW Ventures. These 3 stocks are day 2, and these 3 companies, and 2 companies are at the day 3 of the subscription, which is Sesha Sai Technologies as well as Anand Rathi. On the other hand, also keep an eye out for Solar World as well as Chara Institute. Like I mentioned, IPO pipeline is the highest it's ever been. Asian markets, GIFT Nifty, like you mentioned, all indicating to a subdued start to our own markets today.
Okay, Vivek, thank you so much for that. But let's go across to Sudarshan, who's here to tell us what are the cues in the world of F&O. Good morning, Sudarshan.
Good morning, Winnie. So, if the last week was about the gaining, market was gaining continuously for few sessions, this week it's completely opposite. Yesterday we saw that for the 4th straight day, market has fallen and closed with cuts. So, what are the major headlines? So, after IT, now it's a turn of financials which have become weak and are a major drag on the market. Second major headline is while FI selling has increased, DI's buying has come down. And third major headline is call writing continues to be very aggressive at all the levels. You talk about 25,100, 25,200, 25,300. At all the levels, we are seeing a huge call writing. So, yesterday we saw Nifty failing to hold the level of 25,100. At the end, it was a cut with of more than 100 points. And the similar pattern was seen with Nifty Bank, Nifty IT, and even Nifty Real Estate and Nifty Auto. For today, GIFT Nifty, following the global cues, is indicating a start with minor cuts, say 40 or 45 points. On the flows front, as I have told you that FI selling has increased. Yesterday also in the cash market, they have sold more than rupees 2,400 crore, while DIs have just bought around rupees 1,200 crore. In the index futures too, they have followed the similar pattern and they have sold more than rupees 590 crore. And Now their long exposure has seen a minor increase, it's at 15%. But if you compare longs and shorts, they have added the short positions for almost 6,000 contracts, and before that, they have added long positions of just 2,600 contracts. What does options data indicate? Take a look at 25,100 call. Here, addition in open interest was 52 lakh, with premium falling to 110 from the level of 222. 25,300 call has seen addition of 37 lakh shares. Here also premium has fallen to 36 from the level of 102. Now on the put side, if you take a look, 25,000 put has seen addition of 25 lakh shares, and premium has increased to 62 from 42, and 24,900 put has seen addition of open interest of 21 lakh shares, and here also premium has increased to 37 from 28. So support range for Nifty 24,900 to 25,000. Resistance zone would be 25,100 to 25,300. So I have taken support. First support, Nifty would try to hold the level of 25,000. If it slips below, 24,900 support comes. Resistance 25,330. For Nifty Bank, support would be 54,620, that is 20-day moving average, and resistance would be 55,401, that is 50-day moving average. Stocks in the bank, 3 stocks remain in the bank, same 3 stocks: HFCL, Saman Capital, RBL Bank. And apart from this, some of the stocks have seen fresh shorts, and those are from real estate by Godrej Properties and Samvardhana Motherson. After gaining continuously for like few sessions, now for the last 2 sessions, it has seen short addition. Keynes Technology has been seeing fresh longs, and also from PSU Bank Pack, Indian Bank remains strong, and yesterday also it has seen fresh longs.
Okay, Sudarshan, thank you so much for that. We'll keep an eye out on those stocks as well.